But the very first question in the Catechism is this: what is man's chief end? That's the question. As we look at the beginning of man, we want to know right away, all right, here's the beginning, but for what purpose is man created? What is the end of man? What is the design for man? Why did God create man? What is man's chief end? And when I was a little boy and I had to memorize the answer to the question, I was a little bit befuddled by it, because the question that we recited was this, or the answer that we gave was this: man's chief end is to glorify God and to enjoy Him forever. I couldn't put that together. I was intelligent enough and knowledgeable enough when I was 12 years old to understand that to glorify God had somehow tied into obedience and to a life of holiness, and that meant that I would have to restrain myself from doing certain things that I wanted to do. So how could I glorify God and have joy at the same time? But the point of the catechetical question was this: that man's ultimate joy, his ultimate fulfillment, is found in the seventh day, in the pursuit of holiness, in the pursuit of the glory of God, to glorify God, to manifest His greatness, to mirror and to reflect His character. That's the reason why God placed us here, so that we see that the world was not created just for man. It doesn't end on the sixth day, but it's the seventh day that God blesses and hallows. It's that day He sanctifies to tell us that our origin and our destiny is in holiness.